Hey Instagram, it's Dr. Rick. So I'm doing an unboxing today on Yaktrax. These are what I use for mild ice. So you can get them online. They're called Yaktrax. I'll see if I can bring that up. If you can hopefully see that. Yaktrax. Got them a long time ago. So I use crampons, but at least on ice climbing. The problem with crampons on, say, surfaces like that or here is that when you hit concrete, you're like floating on top, and it's a little bit weird to get good foothold. You certainly will use the crampons to bite into the ground or into the ice, but sometimes if it's not too bad, or if you're going between a transition of snow and concrete and ice, these are awesome. So let me put them on. So the Yaktrax have indications. This is toe. It says heel on the other side, if you can see that. So put it around the toe and then just bite it around the heel. And you don't have to have it. That's pretty much it. I already put the other side on. You don't really have to have them, or you don't have to put them on boots. You can actually use them on shoes if you're going through a parking lot. So again, you would figure if you have winter boots, you should be fine, but this is a combination of snow that's over there at the periphery, and then compressed snow here. And I'm not sure, there's concrete there, I think. But you could have unstable footing. If I go in the center where everybody was walking, technically that's all compressed. That's ice. So, and obviously that's lake ice. And you have divots that have frozen over. So you can probably put your foot in the divot and bite on the surface of these mountains of ice. But like over here, kind of get a little bit of traction. But if I had boots on, you can see the cuts. If I had boots on, I'd be sliding all over the place. Whoever was over here, that was full footprint. So anyway, gonna have to be an investigative journalist. I have footing. It's easy to move. I don't have to worry about falling and breaking a hip, and I'm in the middle of the lake, so I can certainly go way over there too, which is fine. This is Lake Mallard in Bartlett, or actually it's Bloomingdale. I saw a coyote earlier on. They give you stability on surface that normally you would slide right off. So, and it just to show you, let me get a Quest boots, but those are Yaktrax. That's how they look. They're really easy to manipulate, and they're stretchy. So hopefully it'll give you more options. Because if you're in Chicago, especially if it's sunny outside, you should get outside. But I have a assistant principal, and how you doing? I can't mention his name, but I encouraged him to go walking outside in the wintertime just to break up the monotony. And he stepped on concrete and he pulverized half of his body. It was black and blue to half of his body, and I think that was traumatic. So he probably isn't going to be going out. But hang in there, dude. I think that if you get used to stuff like this is cool. So it just gives you a couple of alternatives to get outside, be active. I'm not saying I'm going to go do any sprints on this ice, but that would be cool. But you can get some skates if you like skating. You can get some snowshoes, but it just gives you an alternative so we can get through the monotony of winter time to look forward to spring. And with COVID and everybody hunkered down from spring, summer, and fall, and then entering into winter, there's going to be some depression. Hopefully you guys will be okay, but don't forget to subscribe to me on my YouTube channel. And I do see patients, so if you are in the midst of a challenge of some sort, or you are depressed, go to my website. I'll put a link down below. If you can't find anybody in your area, you can come see me. I either see patients in Hoffman Estates, or I do internet consults. So even if you're from afar, I can give you suggestions on lifestyle change. So thanks for watching up until this point in time. Don't forget to subscribe, be safe, and don't slip.